Today I'm going to show a quick method of creating a heart shape in Adobe Illustrator. First we need to create a rectangle by pressing Shift button from the keyboard. This will create an accurate square. Now rotate the square to 45 angle. Make sure your fill color is nil and stroke is active. Now select the direct selection tool and select the top anchor point. Now press the delete button from the keyboard. Now select your object and go to window and click stroke. Then click the round cap option and increase weight value to somewhere between 250 to 350 until you see a perfect shape. You can increase or decrease the weight value until you see a perfect shape. So I may need to increase the weight size here. Now go to object menu and click expand. Select the fill and stroke and press OK. Our heart shape is ready. That's all for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.